In this video, I will teach you how to import this DWG file into SketchUp, so that we can start to make a three-dimensional model of the design. So let's get started. So first, open a new SketchUp file. Go to File. Click on Import. Select the file you want to import. But before opening the CAD file, make sure you're using the correct units in your SketchUp project. To do this, click on Options. Here you can select the same units that you've used in your CAD file. So let me show you my CAD file units. I'll type UN and enter. Here, you can see it is set to meters. Now I'll go to SketchUp again, and here also I'll set the unit to meters. Now, click OK. Import. Close. And we have the drawing. Now you can start working on it to make a three-dimensional model. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.